Good morning, students. Today, let us start with the new unit number 4, session 2021, semester 6. The subject is IoT. This is Dr. Vijay Kumar Gadvi, CE department. This unit is entitled with the IoT application for value creation. Let us start how it's create a value. Internet of Things, just a module aim entitled with the main aim of this module is to introduce the fundamental concept of IoT and its application and architecture models. In last previous 3 lectures, we are regularly discussed about the architectures and various application and models. Here we also see in the introduction to the technology mechanism, sensing, actuation, processing, and cyber physical data communication, and discussing the semantic technologies, service oriented solution, networking technologies that enable the integration of IoT data and services into the cyber world. For example, the internet and the web. To develop practical skills that can be transferred into a real world environment like this is automation systems, and we need to control all the modules by the network connectivity and so many M2M devices. This is IBM mainframe 360, sourced by Wikipedia. Here you can see in figure number 1 the Apollo 11 command module, which is used in 1965, had 64 kilobyte of memory, operated at 0.043 megahertz. Same, an iPhone 5s has a CPU running at a speed of up to 1.3 gigahertz and has 512 MB to 1 GB of memory. Here you can see the Cray one in 1975 produced 80 million floating point operations per second. That means flops. 10 years later, Cray 2 produced 1.9 gigaflops, and iPhone 5s produced 76.8 gigaflops, nearly 1,000 times more. Cray 2 used 200 kilowatt power. Here you can see the rapid change in hardware and the processing capacity with storage. Sourced by phonearena.com in 2014. Computing power. Just you can see the smaller size, powerful, more memory and storage. Moore's law over the history of computing, the number of transistors in a dense integrated circuit has doubled approximately every 2 years. Cyber physical social data. Here you can see the anything, any place and any time, which is a networking and communication, the societal impact, economic value, viability, service and applications, and security, reliability, trust and privacy with according to data volume. This is just a basic understanding of the cyber physical social data. All components are integrated and abstract with each other. This is sourced by the Smartville Environment IT Sector Technical Briefing. This is the Institution of Engineering and Technology, IIT, March 2015. This is in 60 seconds you can get any of the services. Sensor device, the widely available programmable device, the off-the-shelf gadget and tools. We are use this kind of gadgets in real world every day, every time. There are so many devices like the smartwatch, the mobile, sensors, circuit, CCTV camera, which is the Intel group, and so many wireless devices and circuits are there. More things are being connected, like the home daily life device, business, public infrastructure, and healthcare. Public connected to things, that means the ECG sensors, which is connected with the heart of the body, the motion sensors on leg, which is connected by internet communication devices on cloud, and also your gadgets and data stored into cloud. Thing connected to things, there are so many things are internally connected by protocols and communication resources like a network. Wireless sensors, WSN. The network typically run low power devices, consist of one or more sensors, could be different type of sensors or actuators are there. Here I want to see the top 6 IoT hardware providers and kits of 2021. First is a Particle. Particle is offer a range of development kits designed to connect to the internet over Wi-Fi, cellular or BLE. Particle is a base platform to build a connected project from prototype to production. Okay, this is just an example. How are the network changing? Like extension, more needs, more connections, time, place, and things. M2M, machine to machine, already launched the billion of interconnected device. Everybody is connected. Now let's expansion, the broadband, LTE and 5G, enhancement, the smart network, data centric, content oriented networking, context aware, that means autonomous systems are there. Things connected to the internet. Here you can see the 2003 to 2020 there are will be 50 billions connected to internet exists the number of people on earth. Sourced by Cisco, IBSG, AT&T, Steve Lapson's Computer History Museum, CNN, and University of Michigan. IoT extending the current internet and providing connection, communication, and internetworking between device and physical object or the things is growing trend that they often refer to as a IoT. The technologies and solutions that enable integration of real-world data and services into the current information networking technologies are often described under the umbrella term of the IoT. One more Adafruit is also example of IoT hardware provides and kits of 2021 is offer one of the best online space to learn about DIY electronic hacking. The Adafruit, the feature is a line of open source development boards that are designed for prototyping on the fly. The Adafruit feeder line comes with a large suite of accessories that rapidly accelerate development. This is one more example of hardware providers concern IoT. Why should I learn about IoT? That's just a simple, the emerging technology, growing IoT services, application in the various areas, smart city, healthcare, business trends, and new opportunities. The opportunity you can see here, like the communication, management, security, industries, vehicles, retails, and lot of research which is covered all over the world. Technology trends, here you can see the technology reach and the time up to 2020, the RFID, surveillance, local people can object, the teleoperations are there, which is supply chain, healthcare, the vertical market, positioning and physical worldwide. Sourced by SRI Consulting, Business Intelligence. This is a technology roadmap, the IoT, and the graph between the technology reach and a time. Smart product sales are the security, transportation, education, healthcare. You can see here the map of up to dollar billions to compare to the number of years for 2011 to 16. Here you can see the smart product sales by market in 2016. That means there are a lot of scopes and opportunities in IoT and machine learning. Internet connected devices in 2003, 6.3 up to 2020. You can see here the big difference, the more internet connected device than a people. I repeat, more internet connected devices than a people. This is the growth in internet connected devices by 2020. Okay, here you can see in the world population in billion, internet connected device is billion, and internet connected device per person. This is a very informative graph. Global data generations, every day around 20 quintillion bytes of data are produced. This data include the textual contents to multimedia content on the variety of platforms like enterprise, social media and sensors. Data generations in form of the global data generation exabytes per month. You can see here up to 2016, which is display the mobile device, M2M, home gateway, smartphones, tablet, laptop and smartphones. So sourced by Cisco. Data life cycle, there are various stages are there, the collection, analysis and data use and reuse, which is reverse flow in the interaction, feedback and control. The ultimate goal is transforming the raw data to insight and actionable knowledge and or creating effective representation from a machine and also human users and creating automation. This usually require data from multiple sources, real-time analytics, visualization and or semantic representations. IoT, this is all slides are the device. Once again, here we are used in 2020. Here we start from the 1994 to 2020. Here nowadays we are use a cloud platform, IoT data analysis, the mature IoT application with actionable information and many more wireless IoT operations and the commercial services and with more standards. Here you can see the modules are there, which is connect the world. Topics in which we are just outline it are the cyber physical system, smart device, sensors and actuators, key application, protocol and architectures, network and communications, mobile ad hoc networks and wireless sensor network, reliability, security, privacy and trust issue and solutions. Are also covered the software platform, services, intelligent data processing, semantic technologies, connecting things to the web, applications, system model, standards and physical cyber social system. Here you can see for the module teaching is Dr. Chung for the hardware for platform, networking and security, Dr. Poem the software and services, data processing and applications. Assessment like this: prerequisite, hardware and systems, basic communication and object oriented programming. The modules are some of the related materials for reference. Topic to be covered: the overview of the hardware platform, that uses environment, the sensors, the network and the servers, the device level, network level and the internet to sensors, which is connect with the IEEE 802.15.4 2.4 gigahertz RF systems are there. Here we are seeing the overview of a hardware platform. Let's if possible note down the particle, Adafruit, SparkFun, XP-Chip, Arduino and Raspberry Pi, top 6 IoT hardware providers and kit of 2021, which is used for the communications and the development of particular backout boards to sensors. Sensors and actuators, this is a revision, so kindly look at this, the sensors and actuators. Things are, it look like much embedded system currently is a sensors, microcontroller, communication unit and power supply. There are the few properties are there, the limited source of energy, size and low in cost, limit computing capabilities and a complicated tasks. The power consumption is the main design issues. Communications, the thing always feature communication for team working. The role of communication, data link between two nodes, type, wireline, wireless, and popular choice. Popular RF based communication solutions, the IEEE standards. Here you can see the 802.11 for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and near field communication, NFC, for example RFID. Network, the role of network, the managing nodes, the delaying data packets. Network are distributed systems, the all nodes need to perform a networking related task. RF based network in IoT is usually a wireless multi-hop network. Some examples are WSN, MANETs, WMS and VNets. The main concern is reliability and performance. This last 5 slides is just a revision of previous units. The internet is you already know, the uses TCP/IP, gateway, network and data link. Protocol stacks, you already aware with the servers, strings, gateway and IPs. Here is the flow by the string to gateway, the internet and server. This is a wireless modulation and wired. Security and privacy is important. What are the challenge? Device level, network level, system level and user level. There are few solutions. Software platform and services, the OS, quantity and TinyOS. The relevant protocols are the 6LoWPAN and COAP. Few architecture reference models are there, M2M architecture and component, gateway and middleware, type of services. You can see here the target is moving bits from one place to another. That means source to destination. In the IoT moving, the data is not the actual goal. The IoT is expected to facilitate providing meaningful information actions. Example, type of service in IoT, you can see here the sample data communication in conventional network and WSN. You can see around the data. This is the path and the flow between the sum number of bits are transferred to end user. You can see here the flow and the path. This is a file, that means the data is stored. Intelligent data processing is just kind of the sensing and data collection, sensor data, data-centric networks, access, subscription and integration, data processing and stream data analysis, query and discovery, data classification and clustering. Things, data and IoTs of it. This is just a hierarchical model of the connectivity. There are thousands, billions, trillions of the nodes are connected with so many devices and communication channels. All over the world, the number of bits are transferred from one node to another to universally. Each single data item is important. It's relying mainly on data from sources that are unevenly distributed without considering background information or social context can lead to imbalanced interpretations and decisions. IoT data challenges, the multimodal and heterogeneous, noisy and incomplete, time and location dependent, dynamic and varies in quality. Its crowdsourced data can be unreliable, it requires real-time analysis. Privacy and security are important issue and data can be biased. We need to know our data must. Like hardware providers, one of the is a Arduino. Arduino is the synchronized ubiquitous name in the electronic development space. The company offers the range of open source development kit, microcontrollers and software tools for building a connected products. Same as the Raspberry Pi, the single board based computer that run on Linux and is designed for prototyping small computing applications. The products are perfect for people of all ages and are good way to get into electronic development. People want answers, not the numbers like this. This is storing, handling and processing the data, the big warehouse, semantic technology and connected things, the metadata, models and the schemas, linked data, link IoT data concepts, semantic technologies, sensors and network, interoperability issues and web of things. Device for interoperability. Here you can see the so many gadgets are there. This is Adopt the IoT talk given by John Holler and Ericsson in 2015 in Lisbon. Observation and measurement data, the procedures, estimate value of property and the property related to the feature of interest. System model application and standards are also important. You can see here the cyber social system, M2M communication model and standards. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan. But before the completing this session, I want to say something. The practical IoT hardware and platform is the various development kit, industrial grade connectivity models designed to help connect your project to the internet over Wi-Fi cellular, either is 2G, 3G or LTE or BLE, Bluetooth Low Energy. All practical hardware is designed from ground up to work with practical IoT device management system, a powerful set of tools and infrastructure to build, connect and manage IoT devices. A true thing that differentiates the Particle from other IoT hardware providers is that they offer everything you need to build an IoT product from prototype to production. Most IoT hardware is the best used for prototyping, but Particle has designed a comprehensive platform and hardware suite meant for scaling a fleet of connected products. A Particle Generation 3 hardware is a just enable user to connect a project to internet over Wi-Fi cellular, Bluetooth. Practical Generation is used the Adafruit feeder from Factor and is composed of two different types of development boards, the Argon and Boron. The Argon is a board that can connect to the internet over Wi-Fi. This is for information and your practical knowledge upgradation. So if possible, note it down the board and the version and the name of hardware and the company. Here we are talking about the Argon is a board which is used to connect the internet over Wi-Fi based on Nordic NRF 52840 and ESP32. Has built-in battery charging circuitry, so it's easy to connect a LiPo and deploy your local network in a minute. Same as a Boron, a development board that can connect to internet over cellular network. It is based on the Nordic N RF52840 model. As built-in battery charging circuitry, it is easy to connect in LiPo and deploy your local network in minutes. Okay, SAM is a Adafruit IoT hardware feature and specification. There are so many models are there like Hazels, Bluefruit Alley and Basic Proto. SparkFun Electronics is also provide a larger detail score in development kit and breakout port to sensors. Then Quiz Connect system by Seed Groove system, SparkFun development boards, Esprit's IoT hardware, Arduino IoT hardware, Arduino MKR families. This is just an example. Raspberry Pi products, you are also use the Raspberry Pi 3 model B plus 1, Raspberry Pi 1 model B plus, and Compute model 4, which is Raspberry Pi designed for deeply embedded application. This board is great for those who intend to make a serious enterprise application. Thank you. This is just a practical example and revision of entire syllabus, but you need to start your case study by using these words and future model of IoT products. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.